All right, let's check out this little tiny keychain slash necklace camera. I am very excited about this, even if it takes crappy pictures and video. It doesn't even matter. I will add some photos and some video of what it takes to the review. But that being said, like I said, I don't even care how it looks for that. But let's check this out. All right, so here we go. This is the camera. There it goes. It takes 1920 by 1080 video. It has a 2.2 millimeter lens. Not lens. What's it called? Whatever. 2.2 f-stop. 2.8 f-stop. Sorry. And yeah, 2.2 millimeter lens. It has a flash. It has a flash. On the back we have a screen. On the top we have the shutter button. On the sides we have nothing. Well, the side has buttons, up and down button. On the bottom we have a USB-C port and a memory card slot for a micro SD card. I put the SD card. It does come with one. I put it in there already. Alright, so this thing is the size of 2/4. So that's crazy. Yeah, so we have that. So let's actually turn this on. All right, so you hold this top button here, it turns on. So there you go, you can see the screen. All right, there we go. We just took a picture. It does have a flash. I'll show you here. So there you go. If you hit these buttons here, if you hold the up button, it'll turn off the sound, so it won't make noise. It'll just take the picture. You can do that. If you tap it, it'll turn a video. So we have some video. I'll take a quick little video here. So this is a test 1 2 1 2, just to see how the audio sounds, because it does have a built-in microphone. So there we go. So we have that. Then if we hit the down button, it does change filters. So it has a couple different filters. There you go. Then if we hold it down, does it do anything? Oh, maybe not. So there we go. We can cycle through the photos. We can even play the video. And it does have a microphone. Speaker, so you can hear it. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, there you go. Even if the pictures come out crappy, like I said, I don't care. This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna put it on the necklace. I'm gonna make it a necklace and wear it. So there you go.